What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys aren't new here, I'm Elizabeth Mena, and today we're gonna be reviewing over this new Nerf gun that I just got. It's pretty big and it looks pretty good. So I actually bought it like half an hour ago, but I don't know, but who cares? So I need to show an apology. I'm so sorry that I haven't uploaded like in a year and a half, I think. I'm so sorry about that. I think it was just a year, yeah, but I'm so sorry. So I just came back with another video to open this gun. So yeah, let's get to the review. So let's start opening it. So let's cut these strings. Okay. Right here. Okay, so the only thing was like seriously jacked up about it. What the heck? They stole the bullets. No, like seriously, I don't have any bullets right here right now. So I have the bullets to this gun because I had another Mega Series gun. So here's a gun. Oh, this is pretty sick. Okay, it's pretty cool. So it's called Tree Break, as you can see right here. Tree Break. And it looks pretty cool though. So let me go get some bullets, so I'll be back, guys. Whoa. Okay, so I'm back. I got the bullets. Well, I got the bullets right here. So there's like this little click thing right here, so you can open here. Like you literally just press it from right here and then open it. Okay, so then let's load in the bullets. Oh, this is pretty cool. Okay, so they're all loaded in. Whoa, okay. So then right here you just pull it. Oh my gosh, it's not really that hard. What the? Okay, so I got it loaded right here. So let's check out shoots. Oh my gosh, are you flipping kidding me, bro? Are you? Oh my gosh. Let me try with these scissors. Okay, it's in. So let's shoot. What the? No way, that shoots really powerful though. Pretty cool. So, pretty cool. I like this blaster. Cool. It's like, it's a shotgun. I thought it was gonna shoot from the 3 barrels, but fine. I don't care. At least I got this new one. So let's shoot it. Shoots pretty nice, so do I recommend getting this blaster? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Just make sure they didn't steal the bullets from the case, so yeah. So from these 3 barrels, it can detect them. Like, you don't have to keep moving the bullets up so it can shoot. It just shoots from the 3 bullets, so, 3 barrels, right here, so, let's try again. Okay, let's do this. Shoots pretty cool. Let me go get the bullets. Be back in a second. Okay, so I'm back, and I picked, I have 5 bullets. So I have 2 Mega Blasters. I have this one, the Magnus, and of course this one right now. So I only have 2 from the Mega Series. So this one I think it carries, let me see. I think it carries 3. I'm not sure. Yeah, it carries 3. So like this one, pretty cool. So this one, it's like really that I recommend it. So that's what I do. So when you drop this down, you just put the bullets in, and then whatever, and then whatever, and then you go boom, pew pew. So yeah. Okay, so let's try to shoot these. Well, I don't know if you guys can see. No, you can't see it, but there's like cups right there. So this shoots so cool. Cool. So yeah, I do recommend this blaster. And if you guys do see this blaster, I recommend you guys get both of them because they're pretty good. But the only thing about this one is that look it moves. I don't know about this. I don't want to move it, but look it shakes. Like I don't know if you can see it, but so when you're like in a nerf battle, you don't want to. So yeah, like moving it all around, being noisy. You just want to be stealth and quiet, so you don't want to. So that's the only thing with that. It's like kind of like, bruh. So yeah, I would totally recommend this blaster. Just if you want to be stealth in a nerf battle, do not buy this one. But I do recommend this one. If you want to be stealth in the nerf battle, you could use this one because you just need to reload it like that and then shoot, but it doesn't really make that noise like the other one. So I do recommend both of these blasters. So yes, I think that's all. So again, I'm sorry that I didn't upload like in a year and a half, I think. So yeah, I'm so sorry about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, and then yeah, follow me on Snapchat. Well, add me on Snapchat, and if you want to follow me on Snapchat, it's what is it? I think it's Elizabeth. Hold on, let me check. I'm sorry. So my Snapchat is Eliza_3M. So make sure to add me on Snapchat, please. And if you guys enjoyed this video, just like how I always said, and please subscribe on that red little button down below. And like always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh yeah, wait, before you guys go, I'm gonna make another YouTube channel. I think I got a camera. I'm gonna use it. So yeah, I'm recording on my tablet right now, so I'm just gonna get a tablet. So I'm gonna get a camera. Why am I always like this, bro? So yeah, I'm gonna just record with a camera, and then I'll make another video to show what my other YouTube channel is. So thank you guys for watching so much, and I'm so sorry for not uploading for a year and a half. So thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!